Learn how to make a simple collage in Photoshop. Go to File, Scripts, Load Files into Slack. Now click Browse and choose 2 photos. This is a quick Photoshop tip. It can save you some time. For a while I used another technique to make this kind of collage, but I think this one is better. Go to File and make sure Document Bound is checked. Now move the photo that is on top to the right until you cannot see it. Try to put it right next to the other photo. After that, go to Image, Reveal All. With Crop tool, select only the photos and press on Enter. Go to Select, choose All. Now for the photo that's on the right side, press on this icon. For the photo that's on the left, press on this icon. And now the photos are switched. Do this step only if you want them switched. That's it. Thanks for watching.